Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading bot journey. It's been a while since my last video, but this is the 5 month update for my crypto trading bot journey. Thanks again for joining. If this is the first time you're joining me on my journey, the thesis of starting this channel was to prove if crypto trading bots actually make money or not. I started this trading bot journey 5 months ago, not knowing anything about trading bots. There's a lot of information out there, and I didn't know where to begin. If you've Googled trading bots, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I ended up purchasing a program, and if you watch from day one, you'll see how I started with a couple demo bots, and then I put my actual money on the line on one live bot. Then it went to two live bots, three, and it eventually got to five. So, you know, this is the monthly update. It's going to be a monthly update, but if this is the first time joining me on my journey, we usually spend the first couple minutes talking about the crypto markets, Bitcoin in particular, because as Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market usually follows. And if you've been following the crypto markets, you know that it's been the markets have been bloody the past couple of months since starting about around December is when we peaked, and I'm sorry, around November is when we peaked and we started this downtrend. So let me go ahead and pull coin market cap, but there's been a lot, like I said, there's been a lot going on. We've had um, what have we had? Uh, we've had Fed uncertainty with rates, and that started a stock market correction. We've had Canadian trucker issues. We had Russia invading Ukraine and starting a war. It's been nuts, man. And yeah, it's just been crazy. So here's Coin Market Cap, and yeah, the market has been nuts. Crypto has been, for the most part, been down during this whole time frame. So let's just look at the 7 day. 7 day, look, everything's down. Bitcoin's down 10%, ETH down 12. Pretty much everything's red except for stable coins. It's green. XRP down 5%. Luna down 9. Cardano 16% at 81 cents. Man, crazy. Solana down 13% over this past 7 days. Yeah, everything. I'm gonna go just scroll down, and as you can see, everything's down past 7 days. Let's pull up coin. Let's pull up Bitcoin. Here we go, and let's look at the Bitcoin chart. Let's go ahead and pull up 3 months, since that's what we're talking about. So since December we were at around 50K. Look, that around Christmas we were at 50K. Then we dropped. This is around, after Christmas, January, there was all that Fed uncertainty, talk about raising rates and whatnot. And that was around this time right here where we had this big drop from 40,000 to 35,000. Then we corrected back up to 45, and we lowered back down to 34. This around the 24th. This is around the time Russia invaded Ukraine. So that's that. And now, we had a little pullback or bounce back to 43. That was around, I want to say, when Ukraine was saying that they were using crypto to fund their war, to get funds for the war. And so that went up, and we just corrected back down. And we're at 38,000 now. So yeah, that's that. Let's go ahead and get to the bots. So here's the bots, and let's see. Here's the first one, SHIB. As you can see, it's been running for 1 month and 13 days since my last update. This was around the time I regrid these two bots, SHIB and Solana, and as you can see, they're out of range. Um, SHIB has been running for 1 month, 13 days. It's having an average daily return of 0.59%, and it's done 4,000 transactions for a bot profit of $441. Let's go ahead and pull it up real quick because it says out of range. And it actually went out of range just recently, because as you can see right here, so it's been running this whole time until yesterday, March 6th. So just went out of range right then. Um, let's see Solana, and let's see. when that went out of range. That actually went out of range as well about a week ago, March 2nd. So I'm just probably gonna let both of these just do its thing and go back into range. But those are those two. We have KSM. This says funds. This has been running for 4 months and 13 days, 0.06%, which is not very good. 5,000 transactions for a bought profit of $498. And let's go and look at this one. So here's KSM. Let's look at KSM. And it hasn't been in range for a couple months now, since January 24th, a month and a half. And as you can see, it's been in and out of range as well. So I will probably regrid this just to get it back in range. And let's look at Luna. So Luna's been running for 4 months and 24 days, almost 5 months. It's average daily return of 0.19%. It's done 7,000 transactions for a bought profit of $1,600. And let's go ahead and look at this, because Luna and ETH was actually out of range for a long time. So as you can see right here, January 25th to just recently, February 25th. So for a month, it was out of range, and it just shot up recently, and it went back in range. So I missed this whole pump right here, but it went back in range, so it's back to making bot profit. So as you can see, I have 4 bots running. I have room for one more, and I have a couple demo bots that have been running for the past couple days. So I'm probably going to pick one of these, and let me pull up my demo bots. So right here are the demo bots, and I have PYR here. This is a gaming coin. Um, so I ran all 3 of these a couple days ago, about 3 days ago. PYR is looking like it might be the pick. Movers coin that's on the Kusama blockchain, and KDA is another layer 1. So I'm gonna decide between these 3. I actually have one more that I'm looking at, but it's probably gonna be one of these 3 bots. So yeah, let me pull up the summary, and here's a summary of the 5-month return. As you can see, uh, bot profit. SHIB's been my most profitable bot, it's made $2,980. Luna's second, it's done $1,800, and Solana's third with $1,600. So total bot profit, it's been 23% on my initial investment, which isn't bad. It's not awesome. It's not great, but it definitely has paid for the program. Um, Yeah, that's the quick update. I wanted to just get on and let you all know where the count is, because it's been a while now with the market not performing well and in a sideways market. We're gonna definitely see how bots perform in this type of market. My thinking this whole time is that bots should perform great at times like these, because we're gonna see a lot of sideways action, um, and we'll get to see if this gets proven true or not. So to recap, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the SHIB and Solana bots just do their thing, and I'm going to regrid the KSM and Dot bot, and I'm going to probably add one more new bot. I'm still deciding which one I'm going to do. Um, Videos coming up. Hopefully it won't be another month and a half until I do my next one, but I still need to do a test between the 3 comma bot and the plan bot. And it's also early March, and if you're in the US, we have taxes due in April. So I'm testing out a couple different crypto software tax products, and plan to do a review of a couple of those that I'm testing out. If you've already done yours, put in the comments below which one I should be testing out, or which one I should be trying. So we have that as well. I also plan to do a DeFi video. I've been talking about that, so that's coming up. So there's a lot of fun stuff coming up, even though the markets, they're bloody. Hopefully you're enjoying joining me on this journey. I'm glad to have you here, and as always, Fiat and gold is dead. Crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you all in the next video.